Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys again another video of this mini stuff. Yeah, I'm going to...
third clay video today.
Exactly, it's my third clay video today. And I'm going to be... Yeah, and I'm going to be making a lemon pie. So, yeah, let's get right into the film. Okay, so hello, I'm using this foam thing to act as the pie, and I'm using some yellow clay to act as the lemon part of the lemon pie, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the triangle foam. Now I'm going to be using some brown clay as the crust, and I'm just going to use also some scissors. So if you're not used to working with scissors, I do recommend adult supervision. I'm just trying to make it look like a normal lemon pie. Okay, now I'm making a thicker piece for the top of the lemon pie like that. I'm also now trying to make the crisscross shape that you see in many pies. So that's why I'm cutting like just little thin pieces like that. Then I made some detail there, and I'm going to be sticking on the crisscross design. I really like the way that the crisscross design came out. Now I'm making a whipped cream similar to the other whipped cream that I did in my wedding cake video. I'm also using a lemon to put on top of the cake. Okay, so the finished cake is, or the finished piece of lemon pie is here. I honestly really personally like it. I think it's really detailistic. It has a lot of detail, and I think that it's really nice. I actually really like it. So, yeah, please like, subscribe, and tell me if you want to see more stuff like this, okay? Okay, love you guys. Mwah. Bye.